Welcome back to another low budget box opening. Darkness Ablaze again, because we're trying for that ding dang Charizard. Or, at this point, the Butterfreeze. So let's jump right into it. You know, if I could open a pack, that'd be great. Let's see. We got Dino, Pansy, Marie, Snubble. This guy. Already off to a slow start, but you know, that's okay. First pack. Doesn't mean anything. Not at all. You know, doesn't mean this box is already doomed. Simeon, Bunnelby, Vanilla, Gathita, Nickit, Dunsparce, Rhyme, Energy, there, Wales, Bell. Alright, 2 packs in, nothing to show. That's okay, that's okay. We just like to keep it going, though. I know, like you, I'm excited to see what this box does entail. Toxic. A Stunfisk. Alright, the tanky boy is back. That. Over there. Sleeve this tanker. And we will keep this box a-moving. Moving and grooving. I'm waiting for the blessed box to get everything in one pack. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's gonna happen. Well, definitely ain't this pack. Poo-poo-tar. Poo-poos indeed. Indeedy. Got a Clink. Duck. Marie. Paris, Gathita, Flygon, and an Excelgor. I'm just excelling through these boxes because ooh wee mama. I can't open these packs fast enough for you, I'm telling you. Keep it going, keep it going. Kufan, Adine, Panseer, Mareep, Snubble, and a Hippowdon. Womp. Womp, womp. Alright, you know, that's okay. Still haven't seen any Eternius, or whatever the heck his name is pronounced. I'm a little surprised. Wimp, Grimer, Fletchling, Delcatty, Tower, Shimishier, Larian, Beaver, keep up, and I already can tell it's garbage. Puff, Dig, Pan, Spin, Bone, Shell, Cling Cling, Energy, Rose, Singapore, Lunatone, What do you think? You think we're gonna get a big hit out of this? Not this pack, but this box. Because clearly this pack is cursed. Pan. I need more Lowell. Wishy-washy. Swear those two are always together. Swanna. Sky Circus. If you play Bird Keeper from your hand during this, ignore all energy in this Pokemon's attack. You may discard a card from your hand. If you do, this attack does 70 more. Lugia. Everybody loves a Lugia. But right now, that's not what I want to see. I want to see a V. Or some gold. Just something to keep me going, you know? Vanilla. Gathita. Nickit. Shelmet. Larvitar. We got that Dedenne. And a Granbull. Oh, brother. right now this box is pretty lame. But we're still early on. That, a bumblebee, a vanilla, a gathita, Nicket, I see gold, Turbo Patch Gold. Interesting. Interesting indeed. I will take it with a smile. I'm gonna double sleeve that one, because you know, I feel like that's gonna see future play. So we just do that, and we put it in the gold sleeve. Gold for gold. And we keep on golding. Toros, that, him, them, she, nothing. But you know, we just keep on going. It's green. I opened it the wrong way, and I'm already anticipating the worst. Oh, it was the worst. The Vanillux. On a hot summer day. Flaffy. Flaffy. Ain't nobody want to see no Flaffy. Pansy, Murray, Snooble, Tauros, Rookity, and a Caesar V. Okay. Well, we're finally getting somewhere in this box. So we finally got our third hit. Bunch of Steely boys. So far, no Butterfrees, knock on wood. Fun. Neat. Panzer, Marie, Snubble, and a Hippowdon. Not the box, not the... Ooh, pardon about that skip. I had to stop for a second. I needed to get some drinks in me. So let's keep the show going. Let's keep this party rolling. Let's get more lows, more wishy-washies. They're just always together. Adina, a Centric, and a lovely Lipard. And that hiding energy. Keep it going, keep it going. Ooh, that white code card. Hopefully we got something spicy in here then. Something to whet our whistle. Wishy-washy, Ursaring. Milotic, my goodness. Bright heal. Once during your turn, you may heal 20 damage from each of your Pokemon. Okay. Kind of like the healer of the group. I like it. Beautiful, as always. That, this, there, that. Boom. We are now halfway through the box after this pack. And right now, we've only got really three decent hits. Golett, Vanillit, Trapinch, Teddiursa, and an Ampharos. So half of the box. That's 13 packs and we got 3 hits. Not the best pull rate so far. Maybe this side has all the answers that we need. Skarmory, Cubchoo, Wimpod, Bunnelby. What? Get out of there. Toxel, Heatran. Okay. 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 Not at all. Come on. Come on. I know you're in here. I know there's a Charizard somewhere in these boxes. If not, well, we get some more. Wimpod, Doug Trio, Arctofish, Denny's, Solrock, okay, Clink, Duck, Mar, Par, Gar, Salamence. Okay, well, we finally got a hit, but not the hit we're looking for. Where in the world are my attorneys? Sorry again, you know, I just had to get a drink. Primer, Clink, Ducklet, Murray, Selgor, Volcanion, that thing, this, Clang, and a Dartrix. Nothing. But my spirits are high. My spirits are at an all-time high. Because I feel like this is going to be the one. This is going to be the pack that has the Charizard. Has the Decidueye. I will kind of take it. Well, I have to take it. It's my pack. But that's okay. Now we're at 3 from our previous video. Alright. So it's like a mini hit. Kufan, Santa State, Feebas, Passimian, Fletchling, and a Muck. Womp, 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 womp. Come on. Skitty, Grounded, Wishy-Washy, Kufan, Sinisty. Oh my goodness. I am just not getting it, this box. This box has been a little disappointing. Maybe a certain someone could turn it around. Something to brighten my day. Something to... Beartic. Terrible. It's simply unplayable. It's simply... I can't believe it. It's simply unplayable. It really, really is. I need that good. Morlo, Toxel, Shiinotic, Dracovish, Primal Law. As long as this Pokemon is in the active spot, your opponent can't play any Pokemon from their hand to evolve their Pokemon. That's interesting. Okay. It's decent. It's a decent card. But not the card we want. Not one bit. So like my grandpappy always said, keep it going. Skitty, Pansage, Golett, Vanillit. Oh, so close. It's Charizard, just not the VMAX. The man of the hour himself, though. Sleeve him up, and away we go. So, you know, now that we got the Charizard, now we have to get the VMAX. Like, it's pretty much martial law. Like, hey, you got him, you'll get the rest. And that's what I stand by. This, that, a full art Kabu. Sure. You know, sure. Someone out there probably is like, wee! But me, I'm like, eh. But still looks nice. I still like it. Keep it going. We're almost done with the box. We're almost done. This, that, them, there, those, and a Crobat V. That's a good one. Always happy to see the Crobats right now. Always happy to see these guys. Normally I would double sleeve it, but if it was the full art, since it's just the regular art, you get a regular normal sleeve. Full art though, ooh, you know I'll be double sleeving that. Bunnelby, Toxel, Sinistea, Carablast, Shiny Hiding Energy, love to see it, and a Copperjaw. I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm probably gonna double sleeve that. You know me. That, over there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and double sleeve it just because dark always plays a special part in me heart. Yeah. What we got? We got 5 packs left. We got 5 packs and 1 VMAX. Come on, let's see it. Let's see that hit. Spinner, Bone Sweep, Dunsparce, Toxtricity. Oh, brother, that's not a VMAX Charizard. And still not a single Eternatus. Eternatus? That guy. That's who I want to see. Rowlet, Jigglypuff, Diglett, Panpour, Spinark, Talonflame, and Hippowdon. Oh my god. Oh my god. 3 packs left. So far this box has not been the greatest. It hasn't been terrible, but you know. I'm a little greedy. I'm a little greedy. Jigglypuff. Greedent. Scrape off. Before doing damage, discard all Pokemon tools from your opponent's active Pokemon. Neat. Not that cool, though. That. There. That. 2 left. Come on. I'm telling you, the Charizard is here. The VMAX Charizard. Marini, Purloin, Starly, Aeron, Cubchoo, Cling Clang, Blomp Blomp. Oh well. That just means my last pack has gold. It has everything I've ever wanted and more in this one pack. Right there. This, that. Everything I ever wanted. A Wigglytuff. Ugh. But that's how it be sometimes. Nope, you don't go there. So let's review what we got in this box. Stunfisk, Caesar, Salamence, Charizard, Full Art Kabu, Crobat, Gold Turbo Patch, me personally, a darkness, a shiny hiding energy, and a Decidueye. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not the best box, but not a terrible box. Well, it is what it is. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!